How to fix Barclays app not working. So if the Barclays mobile banking app isn't working, what you can do is, if you're using Android, you can try to check your Wi-Fi or network and see if that helps you. And if you're using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, make sure to disable those as well, as they could be causing some issues with the internet connection. Now on an Android phone, you can long press the Barclays app icon from any phone that you're using, then long press the I button to come to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. If you're an iPhone user, you can just try to offload the app. Now once you're here under this, you go to the storage tab and clear the cache files and clear the data, but remember that clearing the data is going to reset the app, so you will have to log in likely again. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search basically for the Barclays mobile banking app, check if it has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.